8 years ago, I was going to work each day and hating every moment. And you know what's funny? It was my company. And you know what else? I declared personal bankruptcy that same year. Yeah. And I can't blame anyone but myself for this failure, but it taught me without passion for your idea or business, things can go very bad very quickly. In 2015, we had a box of coats stolen from our doorstep. Now that box of coats was meant for our nonprofit, Survive the Streets, which helps the homeless here in Seattle. As you would guess, I was pretty pissed off when we found that we had been a victim of a package theft. But that theft changed my life. It gave me an idea that could help deter packages from being stolen off your doorstep. It was the start of Package Guard and finding creative methods with little money to get an idea off the ground. Hello there, I'm Mike Grabham, and I've been lucky enough to experience failure and success over the last 20 years. The School of Hard Knocks and a roller coaster ride of being a 6-time founder has taught me how to get an idea in front of a customer using very little money and still reducing the risk of failure. Now I believe ideas matter. Ideas change people's lives. Ideas change the way people live. Ideas can change an entire generation and create opportunities where they did not exist before. Now take Marion Trezzalo. In 1962, he invented the Happy Pan. Yes, what's the Happy Pan? Well, a Happy Pan is a pan with Teflon. Yes, Teflon literally changed how people cooked around the world. In 2006, Tom's Shoes was started by Blake McCoskey. He started the buy one, give one model. Now, when they sell a pair of shoes, they give away a pair to others in need in third world countries. Now, in 2014, Bombas Socks was started in New York. When they sell a pair of socks, they donate another pair to nonprofits. Now, all of these people took action and changed other people's lives. That made lives better for others and ultimately for themselves. Now imagine how you would feel right now, right this second, if your idea was being used by 100,000 people. How would you feel? Would that change your life any? Would it change the lives of other people around you? I'm gonna guess probably so. Over the last several years, I've coached and consulted with many people to make their ideas a reality. But there is one story that I love to share. It's about Sarah. Now Sarah's a single mom of 2 young boys. She has a full-time job and just barely keeps her bills paid. But Sarah had an idea. She had an idea that could help local salons and barbershops get more business. So I worked with her on her idea, and within just a couple months, we had her first customer. And within 2 more months, she had several customers. Now, fast forward 6 more months, and she tells me she'll be quitting her day job so she can go full-time on her side project. Yes. I bet as sure as I'm sitting here today that in 1 year, she'll be making more money and helping more people than she ever thought possible. Now, when people take action on their ideas, it changes people's lives. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, because it's not easy, and it wasn't for Sarah, and it's rarely easy for anyone. But it can be done. It can be done with help, with effort, with passion for your idea. Now, I'm guessing some of you are saying, I think I have a great idea, but I don't have thousands of dollars that is needed to get it started. Well, here's the deal. You rarely need thousands of dollars to launch an idea. You need passion, you need a good idea, and a system to test and learn, like the New Idea to Customer course. Now, Sarah spent less than $400 to get her idea started. But she also spent many hours working on her idea, talking to customers, making changes, and finally, putting out a service that could be used. Her first version wasn't perfect, but it sure did get her started on a life-changing journey. I believe that whether your idea is still in a napkin, is sitting in your garage, whether you have been working on it for a week, or a month, or a year, whether you are young or old, that with a little help, a commitment from you, and a belief in yourself, you can be just like Sarah. The New Idea to Customer course is a 7-week course that has assignments each week and is led by me and several video courses. We also have live weekly coaching sessions that answer questions and provide feedback. Now, there's a limited number of seats in this course. And the reason is so every person can get what is needed and move their idea forward. And that is why everyone must complete an application and have a short 5 to 10 minute phone call with me or just a live chat. Now, I don't care about your resume, not important. I don't care what country you live in. I don't really care. But I care about your idea. My goal is simple, to get your idea in front of customers. But I can't do anything without your effort and brain power. So that is it. If you have an idea that you think can make the world a better place, I want to help. So hit the apply button below and fill out your application. It'll take you about 3 or 4 minutes. So let's get started changing your life and the lives of your customers. I look forward to meeting you online. Take care and have an amazing day.